Alright, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button. Turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a video. So on today's design, we'll be making a social media flyer. So we are starting. Let me change the background of this. I will go to this place and this is the background we are using, this one. I touched it and I will click this good. This is okay. Then I will open this place. This is the few resources we will be needing here. So I'll just open this picture here. I've already taken out this picture, taken out the background of this picture. Let me move it so that you see it. I've already taken out the background. I'll keep it here, drop it this side, then I will lock it so that it will not move. Then the next thing to do now is to create another shape. We are going to create a shape here. Then we click OK. We drag this thing here, keep it down here, then bring it down a little bit. Use this thing to know the place you are keeping it. We will just keep it in between this place here. Touch this thing will go. Then we'll give this thing shadow. Because the brow radius should be, you will increase it maybe to the highest like this. Then you click OK. The next thing we are going to create now is this. We are going to now put in the main focal point of this design. Okay, then click OK this way. This is it. Then we will change this, give this thing a bold text this way. Click on bold, then click on good like this. Then we'll go to font. We are going to change the font of this. I used Moonlight for this. Let's check. Moonlight. This is it. Moonlight, and that's the name of the font I use for this. This one is a separate one. Then we'll copy this one. I used this Moonlight and then copy this one. Then I think we will edit. We only need this first text here. This first one is back-to-back demo. That's the name of the font we use. So we are going to type it. If you want to search your font, you search it from here. Back, just if you type BA, the thing will come out, back-to-back demo. That's the name of the font we used. I will activate it. Then I don't need this thing to be on capital letter. I will touch this place. Then I'll be needing this one. Click OK. This is it. This is what we used. Then increase this a little bit here. We'll add shadow to this. We're going to add shadow to this way. Enable this shadow. Then you are going to reduce the opacity of this shadow so that it will not look tattered. Just this way. Draw this a little bit. Then let's use offset Y and move. It's okay. Leave it at 13. Click OK. Then we are going to copy this again. Bring it down here. Edit this. Just this way. Then we now put this one. Okay, I think we have to delete this thing. Let's use this one. Let's copy this one. Then we delete this back one. We are needing this one. Increase this to this. Keep it here. Then we also give this thing a bold text. It's already on bold. Then add shadow to this text. We'll be adding shadow add shadow to it. No, we don't need to enable this thing. We'll work on this one also. We'll remove the enabling. We're not going to enable this thing again. Then we'll draw this, increase the opacity this way. This is good. Also, we'll work on this second text here. Let's work on this second text now. So go to shadow, reduce the opacity, then the offset Y should be at 0. Just leave it at 0, use -0, yeah. Increase it here. This is good. Then we'll now copy this last one, edit it. We use this laughing emoji here as our 0. We use it as our O instead of, this is what we use, comedy. We use that at our O because it's something we have to use it since it's comedy flyer we are doing. So, and this is how the owner of this design say it should be. So we are using this. This is how the thing is. So we are going to now group this one here that is here is this way. We are going to align this thing to the center this way. Then I think this one, the color should not be white. This one here, the color should not be white. Touch this place, drag this thing to this place, click OK. You see this thing don't have any color now, it's on transparent color. We now add stroke 1, then give the stroke color white, then reduce the stroke white to 1. This is it. This is how we got that. Keep it here, copy it and keep it here, somewhere here. Yeah, this is it. Bring this one up. Then we will be needing this also. Copy it, drag this a little bit this way, drag it this way. Then let's give it a full color, which is this. Okay, let's remove the stroke of this one here. We have removed the stroke, then bring this thing over here, reduce the size. This is the name we are using for the social media handles. Bring it here again. Then we will now activate these two things here. We will now activate it. Let's bring this thing to the front. You see, bring it up a little bit, then bring this one here. This is okay. So we will now group this 3 name here, 1, and this. Let's group it. We have grouped this 3 name and we have increased it. So So we are not going to add shadow to it again because we have added shadow to this. So we just this, let's lock this thing together. Let's lock it, then touch this icon here, copy it. We will be doing copy and paste on this. Copy again. This is too big. Bring it somewhere here. This is okay. Then okay, this should be here. Then we are going to create something with our text. Create a new text. This is how we create that dot line. Just be adding dot just this way, and touch enter key here. Create another dot this way. Make sure the dot is stopping at the same line. Create another one. Just be touching your dot line here. Create the last one. Create the last one. Touch your dot. This is okay. Bring this one here. Use your line spacing. You know, we have spacing and we have line spacing. Line spacing is for this. Space it this way. Leave it at 35. We are going to leave it at 35. Okay, yeah, 31. Bring it over here. This is just a minor design we added to it. Leave it this way. Then now is to create a circle here. Reduce the size of this circle. Then use relative position. Bring it to here, up here. Then use normal position to position it. Bring it down, 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 just this way. Then we add shadow to this. We're going to add shadow to it. Then let's open this logo here. Now open the logo. Bring it to the front. Touch this place. Something like blue will show. You see this something here. Then we are going to activate this logo here. So we are going to bring it to the front. You see, I have touched the logo now, and the thing is at the front now. We bring it here. It's okay. So this is it. This is how we created that design, and it's cool now. The next thing is to touch this one, copy it, and bring it here. Give it a color, probably this purple. Give it this purple color. Shift it here. This is cool. So this is how I created the design, and it's cool. So if you find this video interesting, do well to share this video, give it a thumbnail, and make sure you share this video to your friends, and see you next time in my next video.